Hi, I'm Charlie from Summit, and today we'll be unpacking the design process for renovations in 6 simple steps. We start with the first appointment, where you'll meet with your designer at your home. We'll have a bit of a chat. We can talk about your current living situation, your family dynamics, so we can understand how you live and how we can best design for you. The next step is to have a walk through your home. Basically, your designer will walk through with you. We chat about your home, we have a look at all existing spaces, we see what works, what doesn't work, and we talk about what we can build on. The key is to make your home work now as well as into the future. Step 3 is the price guide. Because each renovation journey is different, it's got to be tailored to your needs and your budget. From here, we provide you with a price guide based on the ideas that we discussed, and if you'd like to proceed, we take a deposit and we move forward to the design process. Step 4 is the measure up, where we come out to your home, measure up all the internal and external spaces, have a good look around, take photographs so we can take it away and sit down and come up with a design for you. Step 5 is the preliminary design, where we invite you here to the style studio. We'll sit down, we review the design, we fine tune, make sure it's exactly the way you want it, how it's going to look, we go over the pricing, and if it's all good, we keep going from there. The final step is the 3D modelling, where you can see your renovation come to life. We can walk through it, we can show you all aspects of it, there's no guesswork, and you can see exactly how it's going to look and feel before you sign on the dotted line.